This is a 1-scoop order for Marianne. She requested Cinnamoroll Tuxedo Sam, Pompompurin, and anything psych nurse themed. I'm trying something a little different tonight by showing the shop a little more and the behind the scenes of the pick process. 1 canvas bag, This is a little tough because Cinnamoroll has a lot of cute options, but ultimately I landed on this one. So cute. 2 notebooks. Plus 2 more. Two highlighters. Marianne didn't get any pen beads in her scoop, but what nurse isn't obsessed with pens? So I exchanged a highlighter for this pen set. 2 mini notebooks. Plus 1 more. One memo pad. My Tuxedo Sam stock is super limited, so I knew I had to include this really cute memo pad set. Plus 3 sticky notes. One sticker. I love going through this section of the shop. I am obsessed with stickers. Plus 2 more. One clear pouch. One plush keychain. Plus 1 more. One plush charm. There's something so fun about digging through a box that's mixed. It's like treasure hunting. Plus 1 more. One scrunchie. See? Treasure hunting. Plus 1 more. I think it'll look cute with a canvas bag. 1 hand towel. 2 mini charms. More treasure hunting, although this one's a little more organized. Plus 2 more. 1 wallet. One bracelet. One card holder. Plus 1 more. One bricks. I almost didn't offer bricks in the shop, but Ruby convinced me. She keeps everything fun. Two pin badges. Do you see what I mean by treasure hunting? Sometimes it's so hard to choose. Plus 3 more. Okay, Marianne, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.